Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. Sorry to disappoint you. It's actually Mr. Jones in Humanities. Sometimes confused. So, I do bring good news though. And it's welcome to December 2021. And year 8, I wanted to talk to you in particular today because this is your first full December where you're really going to experience Pontarddulais High School and some of the ideas we have. So let's get started. What is special about December? It's the end of 2021, the last month on the calendar. We're into the time of cold, dark, clear nights. And, of course, a lot of people's favourites, Christmas is around the corner. So the end of 2021, wow, absolutely flown by. We are finally at the last hurdle. And I think you'll agree with me, a lot can happen in a year. Throughout this year, in year 8, you've had to show many different traits. One being resilience. You've had to stick with your work, be it online or be it in person. You've had to isolate at times and come straight back into school to work and catch up. And this has built your resilience. You've worked really, really hard and you haven't given up to be where you want to be in year 8. Patience. I, for one, have dealt with it myself, being patient with the process. Again, a difficult year. We had the vaccine rollout, we had changes on could you go on holiday, could you visit here? And all of us were quite patient. We waited, we said, okay, if we work hard now and we follow the rules now, things will get better. So it's something that we've all established is you as a year group have been very patient. Kindness. Of course, this would have been a more difficult time without kindness and understanding. You as pupils understanding what the staff have been doing to try and provide resources for you in school and out, and your kindness being returned. By chatting through Teams, by checking up on us, by thanking after a lesson, thanking for resources if they've been sent home for you. And that bit of kindness can go a long, long way. Maturity. This one for you was one of the most difficult challenges, but one I think you've done outstanding at. Maturity is the idea of growing up and developing. As a year group, your end of year 6 was taken away from you. And most of your year 7 was taken away from you. You missed that final chapter of primary and that first chapter of comprehensive school. And as a year 8, you've had to learn quick. You've had to understand the school rules, learn the one-way system, learn what zone you can go to break in and go to lunch in. Understand the pace of a classroom at a year 8 level. And that's shown real maturity to go into that so fast, only halfway through the year. And a lot of you have done that and passed with flying colours. Teamwork. Essential as a full year group, you are a team. You help each other in your mixed lessons and you help each other in your form classes. As a school, we are a team, and this year we've all come together to work together to find the best possible way to provide education at home, to provide education in school, and to get us through 2021 and into a brand new 2022. What else about December? The cold, dark evenings. And this is dependent on your choice. Personally, for me, I can enjoy the weather. I can enjoy the clear, dark, cold nights. Some of you might prefer them indoors, some of you out. For example, I was walking the dog around the estate last night and I see a group running towards me, flashing lights, big colourful jackets, and it was the Pontarddulais Running Club, who no matter what weather, cold, dark, etc., will be out and they will be running, exercising and feeling good. Some of you might pick the other option, as you can see in the photo here. Wrapped up with your favourite series or rewatching your favourite film, warm socks on, hot chocolate in hand, and that is how to spend your December. Either way, enjoy the cold, dark evenings. Don't look at them in a negative sense, look at the positive. Be it the idea of keeping warm in the house or going out exploring in the cold. And one thing I wanted to talk about in December is it's a month to look out for each other and share love and share kindness. First thing I was going to say, fun and festive activities to do in December. You can make your own. Like I said, the conditions might not match you, but going out for a nice walk with family or friends just to see the lights around on Christmas, certain estates or certain areas. You can go visit the stalls on the main street in Swansea town, looking at the festive displays, getting yourself a hot chocolate to walk around with. Again, many of you could meet up with your friends, visit Winter Wonderland. No matter if it does cost a fortune, go visit, look at different items, go try some of the rides, try some of the food, start eating that warm food, those warm drinks. Next, coexisting and looking at Christmas for us. Of course, I'm not going to go on and on and on about Christmas because I could talk all week about it. But let's look at kind of celebrations through Christmas. We've got Christmas on the 25th, and we've also got Hanukkah, which is finishing on the 6th of December in the Jewish faith. Everybody can enjoy December. It's an opportunity for us all to come together, end the year on a high, and be ready for 2022. Next, we've got Christmas cards. Personally, for me, not a huge Christmas card guy. I don't tend to write many, I don't tend to receive any. My mother, on the other hand, definitely a Christmas card person. She'll spend her Christmas on her estate, maybe there's 20, 25 houses if you work up to the left or right, and she will remember who lives in each house, and she will write them a small message, hope you're enjoying your Christmas, season's greetings, etc., etc. And it's that nice gesture every year of just going to post it into people's letterbox just to share that good faith and that good feeling, that bit of kindness to someone who might be on their own, or they might be missing family that year, and it's just nice to receive a Christmas card that somebody's thought of you, somebody's shared that season's greetings, and that can really have a positive impact on a lot of people. And over the right, as you might know, Elf Day is on Friday, December 3rd, and there will be small little celebrations in school, such as fancy dress in the SDF, and there will be a tuck shop, so sweets and treats and some activities arranged in H1 during break and lunchtime. If you did want to purchase or take part, I would like you to bring in silver coins rather than notes, etc., because we wouldn't be able to give change. So if you bring in silver coins, there's small things to buy like candy canes and chocolates. They're not very expensive, and it's just nice to put some money in that we can raise together and donate to the Alzheimer's Society. The Alzheimer's Society is united against dementia, and as you know, as a dementia-friendly school, something that's really important to us to support. All your money will go into supporting people over the Christmas period and over December through phone calls, through visits, and other supports over Christmas. Again, welcome to December 2021. Thank you for listening.